Hey guys, welcome to Technical Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to clean your C drive completely and make your Windows faster and smoother. Watch the full video, every step is very important. Let's get started. Process 1, change download folder location. This process will work better if you have multiple HDD drives. Go to this PC. Now open the Downloads folder, right-click and choose Show More Options Properties Location tab. Click Move, choose another drive, and create a new folder named Downloads. Click Apply Yes. Now all your future downloads will go to the new drive, and your C drive will never get full again. Process 2, uninstall unused apps. Open Start menu, search, add or remove programs. Then sort by large to small. You'll see which apps are taking the most space. Uninstall the ones you don't use. Click the three-dot menu Uninstall, or use Move to change the app location. Process 3, delete temporary files. Press Windows plus R or right-click Start menu to open Run. Type temp. Click OK, and continue. Select all with Ctrl plus A delete. Again open Run. Type %temp%. OK, and delete all. Skip if some folders don't delete. Process 4, delete old Windows files. Open this PC Go C drive. If you see Windows.old, then delete it. It won't harm your system. Click Continue. Process 5, clean recycle bin. Everything we've deleted so far has been deposited in the recycle bin. Open recycle bin, press Ctrl plus A and delete. Check, do this for all current items, and click Continue. Now your C drive is much cleaner. Process 6, storage sense/disk clean. Open this PC, right-click C drive properties storage settings. Go to temporary files. Check all the options but do not check downloads, because this will delete your downloaded files. I've already changed my download location so it doesn't show up here. Then click Remove Files. Process 7, Disk Cleanup Tool. It's the same in both Windows 10 and 11. Search Disk Cleanup, choose C drive. Click Clean Up System Files again, select C drive. Check all the options, only uncheck downloaded program files. Then click OK, delete files. Now you can see my C drive is much cleaner and faster. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Technical Solution. Comment below, how much space did you free up today? Thanks for watching.